In this video, I'm going to go over my top 10 Echo smart home uses and features. Hello tech friends, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Craig. I make straightforward and easy to understand tech videos. If you're into smart devices, Apple products, and other cool tech, you are in the right place. Links to anything I talk about will be in the description. Now let's get started. This is week 12 of my 2019 Echo video series. You can check out last year's series here. Also, I've changed the name of my device to Amazon to hopefully not trigger your device at home. Echoes are great devices for hands-free smart home control. Amazon's been great about updating and adding new features. There are more devices that are designed to work with Echoes than any other virtual assistant. Here are some of the features I like to use to control my devices. My number one use would be controlling lights. It's nice to be able to walk in the room and ask for the lights to be turned on. I can call up lights individually or as a group and easily change the intensity or color. Amazon, turn Office 1 at 50%. You barely could see that change. Amazon, turn Office 1 to red. There we go. Number 2 on my list is the group feature. Groups makes controlling your devices such as lights even easier. Instead of calling up lights individually, I created an office group that allows me to turn off my lights using only the group name. If you add an Echo to the group like I did, you can just say, Amazon, turn off lights. There they go. Nice and easy. I could turn them back on by saying, Amazon, turn on lights. I didn't need to call up a group name or anything. You can see here on the Echo Show that you even get the slider so that you can manually adjust the group if you want. The number 3 feature is having a central device to control all of my smart devices. Before having an Echo, I'd have to use the Philip Hue app, the Nest app, the Ring Doorbell app, and all the other device apps I have. Here are all of my devices available on my Echo that have been joined together for easy control. It's so much more convenient to just use the Echoes, use my voice, and not have to pull out the phone like I used to have to do. Number 4 is using smart plugs with the Echo. Smart plugs are great for controlling non-smart devices. You could take that favorite lamp and it becomes a smart lamp. You could turn on fans, coffee makers, and so many other things. The Echo even lets you change the plug from a smart plug to a light. If you set it as a light, it can be grouped with smart bulbs and they'll respond together in a group. This light here is an LED bulb on a smart plug. When I ask for office to video, it sets all of these lights to what you see. I don't need to bring up just the smart plug and then ask for the lights separately. They're all combined into one easy group. Number 5 would be routines. Routines allow you to set up a series of commands that can be triggered with a single voice command at a scheduled time with an Echo button, a location, or another smart device. These routines can include adjusting your Echo device settings, playing music, triggering smart devices, and more. Here's an example of a routine I have. Amazon, relaxing.
Here's a station you might like, Ultimate Classical, on Amazon Music.
Amazon stop. And when I ask for that relaxing group, we see the lights go to a lavender color, kind of dim down. It starts playing some classical music. It sets the volume where I want it at 65%. And it all does it by itself with a series of commands. You could even add weights in there that'll put time in between certain commands. So if you do walk into a room and you have a command or routine that turns on lights in the room, you could have it wait 15 minutes and then turn those lights off automatically. Number 6 is using the Echo as a chime for my video doorbell. With Ring or August doorbells, you get an alert when someone rings the doorbell. You could even set it up for motion alerts. Now I don't need to be necessarily at my phone to know when someone has rung the doorbell. You could check out the video I made on using the Ring doorbell with your Echo Show or a regular Echo. Number 7 is checking my smart cameras or front door on the Echo Show or Fire TV. Amazon, show me outside.
Okay.
Now this feature does usually take a second to connect, but it is a little more convenient than pulling out the phone. There's my outdoor camera. I can see what's going on outside. Amazon Go Home. To bring up my Ring doorbell, it's the same thing. Amazon, show me the front door.
Okay.
Apparently it's noisy outside. Amazon Go Home. Nice and easy. I didn't have to pull out the phone to open up any of my camera apps. Number 8 is using scenes. I can import scenes that I make within the LifeX or Philip Hue app. There I can use all the functionality of those apps and trigger them with my voice from the Echo. Here's a list of scenes that the Echo discovered. I would not be able to make these scenes in the Echo app by itself. Number 9 is voice control over my thermostat. In my house, I'm using the Nest thermostat. I can ask what the temperature is for my Echo. Amazon, what is the temperature of the family room?
The family room temperature is 67 degrees.
There, it'll show me where my thermostat is currently set, and I can even, with the Echo Show, make adjustments to the temperature right there from the screen. Or I could just use my voice to make adjustments. Number 10 is music. What smart home would be complete without controlling music throughout the house? If you have multiple Echoes, you can create multi-room audio groups. These allow you to play music over multiple Echoes. You do have to use a supported streaming service though. Amazon, play classical music on the Office group.
Playing classical music from Apple Music.
Now, both Echoes are playing at the same time. Amazon, stop. I could set this up so my whole house has music playing throughout it. I have a group that has my downstairs group and then my upstairs group. So wherever I am, I can listen to music. Number 11, a bonus use is announcements and drop-in. I can announce throughout all my devices that we're leaving in 5 minutes. Amazon, announce we're leaving in 5 minutes.
Announcing.
We're leaving in 5 minutes. 3 devices went off in here and all the other devices in the house. I could drop in on the Echoes upstairs and let my daughters know lunch is ready. Amazon, drop in on the bedroom. It is connected to the Echo Show upstairs in the bedroom, so we could even do a video call. No yelling through the house or stopping what you're doing to walk upstairs. There are so many smart home uses for the Echoes. What are some of your uses? Let me know in the comments section. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you haven't, consider subscribing and hit that bell to be notified of the next video. If you'd like to help support the channel, check out the Amazon links below. If you use them, Amazon will kick us back a little. The international links will go to your country's Amazon store. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.